How's it going, guys? I made a little bit of progress on my drone today. This is a 3D printed body that I'm going to be trying to use for it. This comes off. So this file I found on well, it's from Thingiverse, but it's on this whole design that I'm attempting to do is mostly adapted from an Instructable that I found. It's pretty detailed. I can link it in the description if you guys are curious about it. But these are just brushed motors that I'm going to be using, which I got from my other drone after taking it apart. And then this I finally got to actually work today. So this is, I'll actually solder the wires together to save weight, so I don't have to put the breadboard on the drone itself. But this is an Arduino Nano, along with the inertial measurement unit, the IMU, and this is the Bluetooth chip, which is an HC-05, and I finally got it to actually connect to my phone. I'm just trying to connect it with Bluetooth because I don't have a universal remote or receiver right now. I didn't really want to wait for one to be shipped. So anyway, yeah, it actually communicates with my phone through Bluetooth. Got it all set up correctly. Had to change the baud rate on the Bluetooth chip, but it works. And I guess I'm still working out some kinks with the IMU, and that's just so it's basically the gyro. So that's what I'm still working on. But other than that, it's doing good. I should have another gyro from Amazon tomorrow, and then hopefully that'll fix it a little bit better, and I can mount it together. So that's just a quick update on the drone. I think it looks kind of cool with this green 3D printed plastic. So thanks you guys for watching. Make sure you leave a thumbs up, and we will see you on the next one.